Alright guys, so now that you've cut this all and you can get through all of these papers, we are going to start to weave. So, what you're going to do is you're going to take your paper and you're going to go over the first one, under the next, over, under, over, under, over, and then you're going to push it all the way down so it's against that line. So you had to make sure you cut all the way there. Now I'm going to take my next one. And I'm going to do the opposite. So that this one went over, my next one has to do what? It's opposite. So it has to go under. Very good. So now I'm going to go under, over, under, over, under, over, under. And then I'm going to push it all the way down. And I'm going to keep going, keep doing my same pattern. So I have to do the opposite next. So if this one went under, my next one has to do what? Has to go over. Notice that I'm using two hands to do this. So I lift up one, using both of my hands. I can't do weaving with just one hand. And you have to make sure you don't just leave it like floating up there. It comes all the way down so it's nice and really close. So you're going to keep doing this all the way across your paper until the whole thing is filled up. Once you get there, we'll see what to do next. Also, if you have one of these really small edges like this, do you see how my paper over there fell out? That's okay, I can just push it back. And then always make sure you push it against. And you have to go past your fold and keep going all the way across. Alright guys. And so as you guys can see, I totally finished now. I have my name over here, and you remember to write K and the first letter of your teacher's name. So notice this side is going to be the back, because this side at the end, so that was the back. So this side was the back, this side's the front. Notice you can't see your name, you can't see anything that you wrote. So we're going to actually glue on both sides. So what you're going to do is make sure your glue can breathe. Make that sound, it can breathe. You're going to flip your paper over, and then you're going to put up these little wings. And don't start to glue until your teacher has come around and told you it's okay. So you can put a little dot of glue underneath, and then smush it down. And then underneath, smush it down. Don't worry about those other ones that are going under. Just worry about the ones that are going over. A little dot of glue, smush it down. Look how fast this is going. So keep doing this to all of them. I do it on this side as well. A little dot of glue, push it down, dot of glue, dot of glue. And then what I could actually do is I'm going to flip the whole thing over. And then on the front, I'm going to do that same thing. I'm going to put a dot of glue underneath each one of these. Oops. Lift that one up. And you'll keep going all the way across. When you are totally done with this, we are actually going to use this weaving. It's going to become a house in our next collage. And you guys are pros at collages. So, when you're finished with this, you're all done with your weaving. Make sure your name is on it. And everything is glued down. If you have any other questions, let us know.